Hey off-road enthusiasts and modification lovers. Welcome back to Steel and Style Garage channel, where we transform ordinary vehicles into extraordinary machines. Today we're diving deep into Toyota FJ Cruiser modifications, a true cult classic that continues to captivate the automotive world with its retro styling and unmatched capability. Before you even think about skipping ahead, stick around because we've saved 3 absolutely mind-blowing custom builds for the end that will leave your jaw on the floor. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and drop a comment below telling us which FJ mod is your favorite or what other vehicles you'd like to see featured next. Our community grows stronger with each of your interactions, and we genuinely love hearing your thoughts and modification stories. The Toyota FJ Cruiser stands as a modern homage to the legendary FJ40 Land Cruiser, combining nostalgic design elements with contemporary engineering for the perfect blend of form and function. Discontinued in most markets by 2016, these vehicles have only appreciated in value and popularity, creating a passionate following of enthusiasts dedicated to personalizing their FJs. Whether you're considering purchasing an FJ for a project, build, or looking to upgrade your current one, today's comprehensive guide will walk you through various modification styles from mild to wild. The aftermarket support for these vehicles remains robust, making them perfect candidates for custom builds that can truly stand out in a world of cookie-cutter SUVs. The JDM stance style brings Japanese automotive culture to the boxy American market FJ, creating a fascinating cultural fusion that turns heads everywhere. Traditional JDM aesthetics focus on lowered suspension, aggressive wheel fitment, and clean, minimalist styling, all of which can be adapted beautifully to the FJ Cruiser's distinctive silhouette. Start with a moderate suspension drop using quality coilovers like those from Teen or KW, paired with wider wheels featuring proper negative offset to achieve that perfect stance without sacrificing too much functionality. Complete the look with subtle aero additions like a front lip spoiler, color-matched fender flares, and perhaps a roof spoiler to enhance the FJ's already distinctive profile while maintaining its recognizable character. What's your take on JDM-styled FJs? Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or photos if you've gone this route with your build. The beauty of this approach lies in its balance between street presence and retained capability, keeping the vehicle functional while giving it unmistakable character. Consider adding authentic JDM accessories like Japanese market lighting upgrades, genuine Toyota TRD parts sourced from overseas, and subtle vinyl graphics that pay homage to Japan's rich automotive heritage. The key is maintaining clean lines and precision in every modification choice, reflecting the Japanese philosophy of thoughtful, purposeful design rather than excessive ornamentation or unnecessary additions that don't serve a specific aesthetic or functional purpose. Transforming an FJ Cruiser into a muscle-inspired beast involves emphasizing raw power, aggressive stance, and that unmistakable American automotive attitude. Begin with performance modifications like a supercharger kit for the 4.0 LV6, adding a significant horsepower boost, along with a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note through a high-flow catback system with dual exhaust tips. The exterior demands attention with a matte or gloss black paint scheme, accented by bold racing stripes running from hood to tailgate, while wider fender flares accommodate massive all-terrain tires mounted on deep-dish, retro-inspired wheels. Hood scoops and vents, whether functional or decorative, complete the muscle car aesthetic while giving your FJ that menacing presence that commands respect both on and off the pavement. The interior deserves equal attention, with racing-inspired bucket seats upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, a custom steering wheel with a thicker grip, and a short-throw shifter for manual transmission models. Consider adding analog gauges in a custom-fabricated dashboard pod to monitor vital performance metrics while enhancing the classic muscle car feel of the cockpit. The suspension setup should be performance-focused with stiffer springs and upgraded sway bars to improve handling without sacrificing too much ground clearance, striking that perfect balance between off-road capability and on-road performance. This build style perfectly marries the FJ's inherent ruggedness with American muscle car attitude, creating a unique vehicle that celebrates both automotive cultures while establishing its own distinctive identity. European-inspired modifications bring sophisticated engineering and understated elegance to the rugged FJ platform, focusing on precision handling and premium details. Begin with a performance-oriented suspension system from European specialists, like Bilstein or KW, calibrated for a perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness without the extreme lowering seen in other styles. Wheel choices should lean toward German-engineered forged options in modest sizes with appropriate offset, paired with high-performance all-terrain tires that maintain capability while improving on-road manners. The color palette typically shifts toward sophisticated metallics like gunmetal gray, deep blue, or classic alpine white, complemented by subtle chrome or brushed aluminum trim pieces rather than the blacked-out look found in other modification styles. What European vehicle elements would you incorporate into your FJ build? Share your ideas in the comments. Interior modifications focus on premium materials and technology integration, with Alcantara or fine leather upholstery, European-inspired, instrument lighting, and advanced infotainment systems that bring modern convenience to the retro-styled cabin. The driving experience takes priority with recalibrated engine management systems for improved throttle response, upgraded braking components from specialists like Brembo, and subtle aerodynamic improvements that enhance stability at higher speeds. The European approach values subtlety and functionality over flashy aesthetics, creating an FJ that performs exceptionally well in all conditions while maintaining an air of sophistication that belies its off-road heritage, appealing to enthusiasts who appreciate refinement alongside capability. The luxury VIP styling approach transforms the utilitarian FJ Cruiser into a premium vehicle that wouldn't look out of place at a five-star resort or exclusive mountain retreat. This modification philosophy begins with an immaculate exterior, featuring a premium paint finish, think pearl white, deep metallic black, or even custom color shifting options, complemented by tasteful chrome or brushed metal accents around the grille, door handles, and window trim. The suspension system maintains a slight lift for capability, but incorporates higher-end components with adjustable damping to provide that magic carpet ride quality expected in luxury vehicles. Wheels make a significant statement in this build. Style, with multi-piece forged designs in 20-22-inch diameters wrapped in lower-profile all-terrain tires that balance appearance with reasonable off-road functionality for the occasional adventure. The interior transformation is where the VIP style truly shines, with comprehensive upgrades creating a cabin that rivals premium SUVs costing twice as much. Custom leather upholstery with diamond quilting extends to every surface, including the headliner, while genuine wood or carbon fiber inserts replace plastic trim pieces throughout the cabin. The audio system receives a complete overhaul with audiophile-grade components, hidden amplifiers, and discreetly integrated subwoofers that deliver concert hall sound quality without disrupting the clean interior aesthetic. Climate control, lighting, entertainment, and even fragrance systems can be controlled through custom-programmed interfaces, creating a truly bespoke environment that elevates the humble FJ to unexpected levels of refinement while maintaining the character that made these vehicles special in the first place. When budget constraints disappear, the FJ Cruiser becomes a canvas for truly extraordinary modifications that push the boundaries of automotive customization. Imagine a completely redesigned body featuring carbon fiber components, custom fabricated, wide-body panels, and gull-wing or suicide doors that transform the vehicle's silhouette while maintaining nods to its heritage design cues. The powertrain receives a complete overhaul, potentially swapping the factory V6 for a modified Lexus V8 or even a custom-built twin-turbo setup, delivering supercar levels of performance through an advanced all-wheel drive system with electronically controlled differentials. The suspension system utilizes military-grade components, including remote reservoir bypass shocks and custom-engineered control arms that deliver 12+ inches of travel, paired with portal axles for extreme ground clearance, without requiring excessive lift height. Has anyone seen an FJ build that completely blew your mind? Share it in the comments below. The interior becomes a showcase of craftsmanship with hand-stitched exotic leather, aircraft-grade aluminum components, and custom digital instrumentation that transforms the driving experience. Technology integration reaches new heights with augmented reality windshield displays, drone deployment systems for aerial reconnaissance, and autonomous driving capabilities for tedious highway stretches. Exterior lighting evolves beyond functional into artistic expression with programmable LED arrays embedded throughout the vehicle's structure, capable of dynamic patterns and custom animations activated through voice commands or smartphone integration. This no-limits approach creates a vehicle that's simultaneously recognizable as an FJ Cruiser, yet utterly unique, demonstrating what's possible when imagination and engineering excellence converge without financial constraints. Concept car styling pushes the FJ Cruiser beyond its production limitations into a realm where imagination meets innovation, creating a forward-thinking vision of what Toyota might have created if the model continued evolving. Start with dramatically redesigned body panels rendered in sustainable materials including recycled carbon fiber and biocomposite components, maintaining the iconic FJ silhouette while incorporating futuristic design elements like illuminated Toyota badging, seamless door handles, and adaptive aerodynamic features that adjust based on speed and driving conditions. Propulsion comes from next-generation technology, perhaps a hydrogen fuel cell system, or advanced electric powertrains with in-wheel motors providing precise torque vectoring and unprecedented off-road control, all while producing zero emissions, and near-silent operation that revolutionizes the trail riding experience. The interior becomes a showcase of future technology with gesture-controlled interfaces, replacing traditional buttons, programmable display surfaces that can change color and texture, and seats that automatically adjust based on biometric readings to provide perfect support during both aggressive driving and long-distance touring. Advanced materials like self-healing surfaces, transparent aluminum components, and textiles that can change properties based on temperature ensure both durability and comfort in any environment. Driving assistance systems evolve beyond current capabilities with terrain recognition AI that can identify optimal lines through challenging off-road sections, holographic trail guides that project waypoints onto the windshield, and drone integration that provides advanced scouting of routes ahead. This concept approach celebrates the FJ's heritage while boldly reimagining what the model could become with tomorrow's technology applied thoughtfully to its iconic framework. As we've explored these diverse modification paths for the Toyota FJ Cruiser, remember that the best builds always reflect the owner's personality and intended use rather than simply following trends. Whether you prefer the subtle sophistication of Euro styling, the aggressive stance of JDM culture, or the unlimited potential of a concept-inspired creation, your FJ modification journey should celebrate both the vehicle's heritage and your personal vision. The aftermarket continues to support these vehicles, with new products regularly hitting the market, ensuring that FJ Cruiser owners can continue evolving their builds for years to come. Our Steel and Style Garage community stands ready to support your projects with guidance, inspiration, and the technical expertise needed to transform ideas into reality. We hope this comprehensive guide has sparked your imagination and provided valuable direction for your own FJ Cruiser project. If you enjoyed today's content, please support our channel by hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with fellow enthusiasts who might benefit from these ideas. Drop a comment below sharing your own FJ build plans or photos of your current project. We genuinely love seeing what our community creates and featuring your builds in future videos. Until next time, remember that modification isn't just about changing your vehicle. It's about creating something that perfectly expresses who you are while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive customization. Keep building, keep dreaming, and we'll see you on the next episode of Steel and Style Garage.